Hibiscus is a genus of flowering plants in the mallow family. The genus is quite large, comprising several hundred species that are native to warm, temperate, subtropical, and tropical regions throughout the world. Member species are renowned for their large, showy flowers, and those species are commonly known simply as hibiscus, or less widely known as rose mallow. Other names include hardy hibiscus, rose of Sharon, and tropical hibiscus. The head over heels passion hibiscus blooms in late spring and features bold pink flowers that are massive. The five petals slightly overlap, feature a dark pink eye, and have a slight texture that almost resembles crepe paper. The showy flowers are complemented by a burgundy foliage. This plant requires plenty of sun, so select a spot that receives at least 6 hours of light. Water weekly and when the top few inches of the soil dry out. Plan to water more often during a dry spell to keep the plant hydrated and looking at its best. Hibiscus prefers damp conditions, so use moist but well-drained soil that is rich and slightly acidic. Feed the plant every 6 weeks using a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. Good companion plant suggestions for hibiscus are sweet potato vine, sweet alyssum, bee balm, crepe myrtle shrub, daylily, and more. All parts of hibiscus plants are used traditionally. Due to their soothing and astringent properties, the flowers and leaves have been traditionally used to treat conditions such as cancer and gallbladder attacks, and also to lower blood pressure, to relieve dry coughs, and topically to treat skin afflictions.